Hey everyone, Kevin here, and welcome back to my channel. So, I've done numerous videos over the last year talking about how much better my new career is than teaching and how I make more money than I ever did as a teacher, which is true. Plus, what money I make now feels like it goes a lot farther than my education salary did for whatever reason, too. But that being said, I needed to point something out that I may not have as much as I should have by now. Don't look to instructional design as a place to achieve financial freedom. Honestly, I really hate that entire term in the first place because there's no such thing. Any program or career that promises such a thing is one, lying to you, and two, has no idea what it's talking about. Oh, like those old infomercials from when you were a kid that showcase things you should buy that would save you time and money, like ShamWow and similar things. We knew those were kind of disingenuous at the time, but as we get older and have bills and responsibilities pile up or hate our jobs, it's easy to get sucked into those things. Educators in particular are susceptible to this because most are so traumatized by the classroom that they're willing to accept anything that gets them out of that environment, which is why so many fall prey to those resume writing scams and fake job postings that are omnipresent on LinkedIn these days. And the same goes for all those scam academies for instructional designers that promise you a job within a month and financial freedom to pursue the career you want as a freelancer or contractor after forking over $8,000 for their program. Yeah, so hate to be the bearer of bad news here, but there's no financial freedom in instructional design. There's no such thing as financial freedom in the first place unless you're a multi billionaire who has more money than they know what to do with. The only people achieving that dream are the ones selling it to you because they're making so much free money off of that scam they're doing to you. No one can offer a job placement guarantee. Every company has different needs and wants when it comes to future employees. Some want those with great storyline knowledge. Others want graphic design skills, while others want strong video editing skills. Heck, many aren't even sure what they want at all, hence the unicorn postings we see so commonly these days. No one can say that hiring managers look for their program on your resume either. These days, most recruiters and hiring managers barely even know what ID is, much less programs that farm them out to people. No one can tell you what keywords to stuff your resume with either, or how to beat an ATS, like I've said ad nauseum at this point. You can't beat an ATS or turn your resume into a bowl of delicious alphabet soup that tastes better than anyone else's. But most importantly of all, they can't promise you financial freedom. It's actually unethical to say this more than anything else because of that reality. And that is exactly why I wanted to make this video. I mean, every company has different earning potential and compensation packages. Some may be really low, while others may end up being insanely high. My last job gave me that way high number, and in my new job, it's much lower, but I'm also a salaried full time employee now instead of a contractor, which is an entirely different discussion that I already went over a while back. Other jobs will offer you better benefits, great retirement packages, or be willing to negotiate more paid time off in exchange for a lower salary. There's literally no way to know since every single job will be different in that regard. ID isn't this career where you will become a millionaire or have the ability to buy whatever you want because you're swimming in cash. It's still a job like any other, and you're still going to have bills, subscriptions, and groceries to pay for. No job is going to suddenly make you feel like you have the ability to no longer worry about your finances, hence the notion of financial freedom being inherently absurd. You want financial freedom? Don't be an instructional designer and live inside of a cardboard box. Better yet, win the lottery. That'll get you a lot closer than this career can. Heck, I still play the lottery every week just because I can. But look, I get it. Teachers, anyone really, are looking for a job that gives them more money and freedom. That's only natural and a dream we all share. But we also know that money is a fickle thing. You can have it one minute and not the next. You might get a job that pays you $5,000 every 2 weeks, but then suddenly wake up to find someone crash into your car and home resulting in damage estimated at over $100,000. Even though you are making a lot of money, you can't be totally free of unexpected expenses on top of all your normal ones. Don't believe all the noise from people promising you financial freedom when moving into this field because it doesn't exist. Rather, examine why you want to be in this field. What do you fundamentally want in your career from an everyday perspective? And then go from there to see if this industry has what you're looking for. The freedom to choose your path is far more important than the finances. But that's it for today. As always, thanks for listening, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe to see more of my content. Until then, I will see you in the next video.